Welcome everybody. It is spitting snow outside, but it doesn't really matter. It is a beautiful day here in the shop, and I'm glad you came by to visit me here. I've got a project that I've been wanting to tear into. It's been sitting over on a bench for a little while, and I want to get it taken care of. So let me bring you down here on this bench and show you what we've got what we're going to tear into. Just look at this little beauty. It's a Simplex utility number 400, it says right there. If you look here on the other side, it says DESMOND STEPHAN Manufacturing Company, Urbana, Ohio. And I got this at a yard sale, and it's a little 4-inch, but it is a whole lot beefier right here than the one I have, and it's a lot bigger here. It's better designed, and so I want to show you the difference between the one I have had for my portable bench vise. You can see the Acme threads are all protected here but under this bar. This is very rusty, so we're going to have to clean this up. But what is really great about this design is once you have it set up, you can take and rotate this 360 degrees, and so you can just mount it to whatever you're going to mount it to, and it will rotate, it'll turn. So let me show you what I have been using and the difference between it and this one here. So this is the one I have been using. I have it mounted here to this portable board that can be fixed into my wood vise. But if you'll take a close look at the size of this and compare it to that, this one here is a lot beefier. Plus the bar and the Acme threads are also exposed on this one, whereas the Acme threads are hidden underneath this U-bar. You can also tell the difference between this vise, the anvil here, and the size of this anvil. This one's just going to be a whole lot better. The other thing that I've been worried about is this cast right here used to wrap around this bar, and this broke at some point. This was my dad's, and he had mounted it to a different board, and it wasn't as sturdy, and so I think I did a video on this where I mounted it to this one, but now I want to change. I want to take this vise off. I want to clean this one up and put it on this board and start using this one as my regular vise. This one here, I don't know. I might sell it at a garage sale, just let people know. Problem, it's not loose, but it's just not as durable and as sturdy as the other one. All right, friends, just a quick little, I'm just going to show you what I did here. I didn't have enough of the evaporust to put it into a container. There's going to be too much room, too much displacement, and so I wasn't going to get the vise completely submerged. But you can see right now, you can't see the vise in there. It's all submerged under this. And what I did is I took a 2-gallon Ziploc bag, took a towel and wrapped around it, and then you shrink wrap to displace the water and push it into the bag, bring the bag tight so that the evaporust will come right up around the top of this vise, and that should help clean us up pretty well. So just thought I'd show you what it is that I had done here to get this to work. If you'll notice there, there's a notch there, and it has been struck so as to hold on that washer, and it's not going to be, I'd have to grind those off and have to re-punch those right down in there if I were to try to take this off of here. So I don't think I'm going to try to take it off. I'm going to just clean it up as best I can the way it is. I think this thing is beautiful, and it should serve me very well. It's nice and smooth before it was gritty and grindy. And this thing here swivels so nicely all the way around. I think we're going to get a lot of good use out of this thing. There we go. Well guys, outside there's snow on the ground, but it is a beautiful day in the shop, as I'm sure I've already communicated to you. And this project turned out just wonderfully, so much better than the old vise I had. The old vise was broken and much thinner, but this thing is much beefier, and I think it's going to serve me well, and it turned out wonderfully. So guys, thanks so much for joining me on this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you know somebody else that enjoys this kind of thing and wants to be part of the tool community, please send them the link to my channel and invite them to come join us. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. The next time I put up a video, you'll be notified. You'll be able to come visit me again here in the ToolScouter shop. So guys, thanks so much for spending your time here with me. I don't take it for granted. As always, here's to you. Have a great day, and God bless.